Hi everyone, in this video I will share the multi-accounts version of the Forex trading journal designed for traders who trade Forex, indices, metals, commodities and cryptocurrency in CFDs. This trading journal helps you track your trading performance and strategy over a 12-month period, providing detailed weekly, monthly strategy and currency pairs overview, as well as an overall summary of your trading activities. By using this trading journal, you can track the performance and statistics of up to 10 trading accounts and view both individual and combined accounts summary reports. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to set out this trading journal and input data into it. Before inputting any data, head over to the Start tab to set your starting month and year. You can input any month and year and it will list out all the 12 months below. Next, on the right, inputting the starting capital for each account. Each account name here is linked to its respective tab. For example, account 1 here is linked to the account 1 tab. When you change the name of the account 1 in the Start tab, you also need to change the name of the tab accordingly. You can also add the link to the brokerage website under the account name. To do so, select the cell, go to Insert, select Link, and input the address of the brokerage website. Next, input the name of your trading strategy. You can input up to 50 trading strategies. If English is not your primary language, you can change some of the keywords in this journal to your own language by replacing the words in the white cell. Once you finish setting out your journal, you can start inputting the trading data. Before you place any trade, you can use the Forex position sizing calculators in this spreadsheet to calculate the number of lots to trade by entering the account net liquidation value, percentage risk per trade, select the currency pair from the drop-down list, and your stop loss distance in pips. Additionally, you can use the margin calculator to calculate the required margin to open the trade by selecting the currency pair from the drop-down list, inputting the lot size and account leverage. The pip value tab shows the point and pip values of Forex pair, cryptocurrency, metals, indices and commodities that you can trade using this trading journal. Now let me show you how to input your trading data into the spreadsheet. There are a total of 10 trading journal tabs for you to input the trading data, with each tab representing an individual account. Make sure you input the data into the correct tab. In the trading journal tab, first input the trade number, entry date and time, select the trade direction from the drop-down list, enter the lot size and leverage, select the currency pair and strategy from the drop-down list, input the time frame and enter the entry price, stop loss and take profit levels. After inputting the details in the open position columns, the green cells under risk management will automatically calculate the 1R distance, maximum profit, maximum loss, risk percentage per trade and maximum risk to reward ratio. After closing the position, enter the details such as exit date and time, exit position and exit price. If you exit the position in multiple points, you can trade up to 3 exit points and exit price using this trading journal. Enter the first, second and third exit position and prices into the respective columns. It will calculate the average exit price of the trade if you exit at multiple points. If you exit the trade at just one exit point, you can ignore the exit position at exit price 2 and 3 columns and hide them. The net quantity column will show a 0 value after you have fully exited the trade. Then enter the total commission you paid for the trade. After inputting the closing position details, the green cells on the right will show you the total trade duration, R multiple, profit and loss, cumulative P&L, account balance, percentage gain or loss, and account drawdown. One thing to note is that the calculation of the profit and loss is based on the latest peak value of the currency pair. The peak value will change from time to time based on the currency rate. To align the profit and loss figures in your trading account, I recommend deleting the formula in the profit and loss cell and manually input the actual profit and loss figure from your trading account. If you have any funds deposit or withdrawal, you can input the details here as well. First, under the trade number, input a dash sign so that it will not be counted as a trade. Then enter the deposit or withdrawal date. After that, under deposit or withdrawal column, input the amount of money deposited or withdrawn. If you withdraw money from your account, remember to put a minus sign to indicate a cash outflow. In this trading journal, you can generate both weekly and monthly reports to analyze trading performance on a weekly and monthly time frame. In the top left corner of the weekly and monthly report, select the name from the drop-down list. You can choose either an individual account or all accounts. Then select the week number or the month to view the account statistic. All the trades you have taken during the selected week or month will be listed out in the table below. This weekly and monthly report will show a summary of your trading accounts, including starting and ending capital, profit and loss, win rate, and average return per trade. The dynamic charts will display your account balance, total P&L by currency pair, strategy performance, cumulative P&L, and account drawdown according to the week or month selected. There's a strategy performance dashboard and strategy statistic in this trading journal for you to analyze the performance of every individual strategy you use for trading. It lets you know how each of your individual strategy is performing and determine which may need improvement. To generate a strategy report, go to the drop-down list in the top left corner and select the account name. You can choose either all accounts or an individual account. Then select the strategy from the drop-down menu and it will list all the trades taken using the strategy. It will also show a summary and statistics such as profit and loss, win rate, and average return per trade. The charts on the right will show the P&L of each currency pair when trading using the selected strategy. You can filter by currency pair to find the win rate for a particular currency pair when using the strategy by clicking on the funnel sign and select the currency pair you want to analyze, and the statistic will be shown accordingly. There is also a strategy statistic graph and table to show you the best and worst performing strategy and to compare the performance of each strategy over a 12-month period in terms of R multiple. Besides the strategy report, you can also generate a report and analyze the performance when trading a particular currency pair. This report lets you know the performance of each individual strategy when trading a particular currency pair, as well as the total wins and losses and total long and short trades. First, select the account name from the drop-down list, then select the currency pair and it will list all the trades associated with the currency pair. You can also select all accounts to view the overall statistic across all accounts when trading a particular currency pair. It will show a summary and statistics such as profit and loss, win rate, and average return per trade. The charts on the right will show the P&L of each strategy deployed when trading a particular currency pair. If you want to view the overall statistic of a strategy when trading a particular currency pair, click on the funnel icon under the strategy and select the strategy you want to view, and the statistic will be shown accordingly. Finally, the most important part of this trading journal is the main trading dashboard. It shows you the overall performance and statistic of each individual account as well as all accounts. Select from the drop-down menu at the top either an individual account or all accounts. If you are using the Excel version, remember to go to Data and click Refresh All before selecting all accounts from the drop-down list to view the latest data. It will show you a comprehensive summary and statistic of your trading activities such as total P&L, account return, total R multiple, average win and loss, and largest win and loss. The table below shows important monthly trade statistics such as profit and loss, R multiple, winning trade, losing trade, and break-even trade. This monthly trade statistic will also be shown in the form of charts on the right. The graph and charts on the right will display your account equity curve, which shows account value at a given point in time, account drawdown percentage, cumulative P&L, which shows the net profit or loss accumulated over time, performance by currency pair, and performance by strategy. It will automatically update when you input data into the trading journal. Here's a quick guide on how to edit the graph line color. If you are using Excel, just manually select the line you want to change the color. Right-click, select Format Data Series, and change the line color. If you are using Google Sheets, go to Edit Chart, Customise, Series, and select the account and edit the individual account color. In conclusion, having a trading journal is essential for traders of all levels. Using a trading journal can greatly enhance your ability to analyze trade and boost your trading performance over time. Personally, I have relied on a trading journal since day one, and it has helped me identify both my strengths and weaknesses, enabling me to make necessary adjustments and refine my trading approach. By providing detailed statistics on your strategy and trading activity, a trading journal allows you to learn from past experiences and fine-tune your trading plan. I highly recommend using this trading journal if you are serious about improving your trading performance. Thanks for watching until the end. Do check the link in the description or comment section below to find out more about this trading journal. See you in the next video.